Kate Bush. When I was young, my idol got two, Kate Bush and Prince.
Oh.
Different style.
Mine Beatles.
Yeah, good. Yeah, very good. Yeah, good test. Fit us. And where? And where? Did you need some more detail or not? Diagonal.
You're starting the detail.
Yes, maybe sometime.
Oh, okay.
That means useful detail. Every shapes, you just need maybe 20% detail. No? Not everywhere. Okay, I will go. I feel the not bad the suppose. So maybe I can change smaller the brush. And maybe my magic brush.
Nylon.
Nylon.
Synthetic.
From where to start? Yeah, you can from your.
Oh.
I always use this to make some interesting detail. I need a much better. This subject is my type. I like this subject. And okay. Go. Now I have fast. Of course, now it's into the very dangerous. Because you want to finish detail always dangerous, but if you don't want to paint another detail, even your background, your big shape is very good, but things not so good can catch your eyes. You need some detail catch people's eyes.
Yes.
So you have to take some detail, but to put on the useful location. So, go. What is this? I don't know. Chimney, I think. Big middle, small, middle. I want to from this important to do some detail. Every window, just one stroke. Don't 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just one time.